Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammed Muqdad from Ishik High School. Alhamdulillah, I was the fourth on Kurdistan and I got an average of 99.14. Alhamdulillah, this is all because of Allah. I want to thank my family, my teachers and my friends. They all helped so much. As for the schedule, Alhamdulillah, I managed to study about 8 hours a day. Depending on the amount of things we took on that day, I had to change my schedule on that amount. So let's say if we took a lot of things to study, I focus more on the memorization parts, then I will go to the explanation and these things. So I would focus more on biology and Kurdish because they needed more memorization. Then I would go to subjects like physics, chemistry and math. Alhamdulillah, in the end, it finished in a very good manner, alhamdulillah, very good way. And for the students coming and still doing the exams, I wish for you the best and inshallah you pass it with flying colors.